you see your picture in the book, you get the same kind of shuttle valve
In a hydraulic system?
in a hydraulic system. And all right. So, shuttle valves are good for other systems. And look at that, shuttle valves. So, this is supposed to represent a brake assembly, a brake caliper that pinches the brake disc. Kind of a goofy diagram, but what your book shows. Okay, so normally you're stepping on brakes, it's going through a brake valve, maybe anti-skid valve, and then the pressure goes out to the brake. Many airplanes have emergency brake systems where they have a pressurized cylinder. Yeah, maybe an accumulator or maybe just a pressurized nitrogen cylinder. And they have an emergency brake valve. Like if your brakes fail, your pedals go to the floor, you can't stop that airliner, you pull the emergency brake valve, and the pressure comes in here, and they may have a air oil transfer tube, but if you read the words on this, the words say it just uses nitrogen to come right through here. I think whoever wrote it didn't really know what they're talking about. But if you have a nitrogen tank, you turn the valve on, you have pressurized nitrogen, and it will take the shuttle valves, which are normally allowing pressure to go this way, it will push the shuttle valve the other way, and now your compressed nitrogen comes in to operate your brakes. And what is good about blasting it with compressed nitrogen, even if it has a leak there, it's gonna take a while for this big cylinder to leak out, so it can handle a leak, it's highly compressible. If you had fluid only, what if you blew an O-ring on one of the things? You know, the fluid comes in, just spits out. But if you have compressed air, compressed nitrogen, it could handle a pretty good leak and still stop the airplane. So, it makes sense. You got a shuttle valve, it's the same thing, not any different, it's one source or the other. Simple. All right, so let's look, see what they have next. So that's a shuttle valve, and there are other uses for them. But basically, it's a trade one source or the other.